Come here. Where are you hiding? Come here. Come here. Hmm. क्या हुआ? Don't get tired. Now you have to go home and learn Sanskrit. Okay? Yeah, Vita. Last time also you good marks. You got good marks. This time you can get full marks also. Your Sanskrit ma'am likes you so much, you know. And she is also a bit shy and introvert like you. But she likes you, okay? I met her. She's a nice lady. What is troubling you in your eye? Beta? What happened, beta? You want to wash your eye with the cold water? Splash some water.